Hey guys, checking out 300 Bending Branch in the Sycamore Walk condos here in Miamisburg today. This is a gorgeous over 1,300 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath condo. Let's take a walk inside here. So you've got your 2-car garage here, plenty of space, updated door there. Come on in through here and just through the front door. Huge coat closet. Then coming inside, check out the size of this living space. Tons and tons and tons of space, all on one level. The camera adjusts there. All this space in through here. It's a ridiculous amount of space. In through this door right here, you have your back pad. Take a quick look out here. Perfect for enjoying the evening sun. Final wrapped condo, 3-dimensional roof on top. 2002 is when this one was built. That camera adjusts a little bit there. And as we're coming in through here, you've got your little dining area in through here. Straight through, you've got your kitchen with bar seating. Awesome design and setup, horseshoe setup. All appliances included with this one. Gorgeous cabinetry, side-by-side refrigerator. Huge pantry right here. Plenty of space for just about anything you could need. And then this is a really nice feature of the condo is that the washer and dryer has its own room, so you don't just have a washer and dryer stuffed in a closet somewhere. This serves as a mud room as well. This door right here takes us into our garage. A little dark in here, I don't know if we could see that or not. So, huge garage, tons of wing space on each side of the 2-car garage door for opening and closing your own car doors so you don't bump into the walls as soon as you pull in. Updated vinyl flooring in here. Again, this serves as your mudroom. Little coat racks right there to hang up all your stuff. There's your closet for all utility needs. Keep your detergents in there and all of your cleaning supplies. Let's come back down and through here. We'll check out the bathrooms and the bedrooms. Recessed lighting in the ceiling. Here's our guest bath here. Vinyl wrap all in there in the shower. Again, updated vinyl flooring. Off to our right of the hallway, we have our subordinate bedroom, and these bedrooms are huge. These are great sized bedrooms. There's our attached bath. And the walk-in closet, ridiculous amount of space in here. All 6-panel doors all the way through. There's vinyl 2-pane windows everywhere in the house. Also want to point out to you that each room does have power in the ceiling. Linen closet here. And then your second bedroom here. Ton of space in these rooms. Again, 300 Bending Branch in the Sycamore Walk condos. Not really going to find a better deal than this on a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath condo in this area. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We appreciate it. We'll talk with you soon.